Hi everybody, how y'all doing? Now, yesterday I was in the process of getting ready to play me some Angry Birds, play my games and everything. And guess what happened? BIOS got corrupted. I went ahead on time as I figured load up everything on the GA B75M D3H. It started to reboot. It rebooted twice. And then I started to hear 3 beeping noise on this motherboard. So contact the seller. He's giving me some issues here, so now I'm gonna have to reorder another board. I did like this board here, but when you buy refurbished part, it was clean and everything. But when you buy refurbished part, you get a little hiccups and everything here. What I did was I installed the TPM header, and then when I put that TPM header on it, it started to glitch, and that's when the BIOS and everything started getting corrupted. So I guess when the seller had it, he had it already set where that it could just go ahead on and boot up quick and get into the boot screen quick and go straight onto your installation of Windows 10 64-bit. But eventually, it has to be my loss, and I'm not happy about that. So now I'm going to go ahead and order my new motherboard from ASUS. Now, basically, I use a lot of ASUS products. This is the P8Z77-VLE. So now I don't have no issues with the ASUS. Everybody have their issues with the way they do things, but with me, I never had not one problem with them. And pretty much from ASUS and ASRock and MSI, I didn't have a problem with them. But now it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and set this order. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the manual and everything to see how much the RAM goes up to and etc. And I am ready to go. Now here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hard drive connect. I only have 6 hard drives in my motherboard, but it's going to go ahead and make me feel happy and appreciate it. Has that dual intelligent processor. So yep, DGV RAM. Now you can see a little dust, but when I get it, I'm gonna thoroughly clean it and take care of the motherboard and everything. So other than that, I am ready to go. Make sure that the pins are not bent or anything. The pins are looking fine. So that's my hap now. So just go ahead and try and get this motherboard in and get my PC, my gaming, basic gaming rig back up and running. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching this quick short video, and I'll see you in the next one.